What's up, guys? Steve here from Car Break NL, getting ready to do our Trilogy break. We got 7 boxes of product. It's a $40 mixer. 3 boxes of Trilogy are the main events. We got 17, 18, 16, 17, 15, 16. So let's find some good cards. We're live. Good luck. Here we go. 4 times on the random, as always. 10:42 on the clock. We got Anaheim to Winnipeg, Minnesota, Vegas doubled up. And we got Ian to Kevin. Good luck, folks. 1, 2. So don't forget, Minnesota and Vegas doubled up in spots. Alright, third timestamp. A little bit slow getting these filled today. Everybody's still trying to figure out how to use the website, which is all good. 10:42, and last and final random on the teams before I copy them over. Fourth timestamp there is at 10:42. Just turned 10:43. Let's copy these over. We got Chicago, top spot. Calgary at the halfway mark. Oops. Pasted wrong spot. Let's try that again. Chicago to Calgary. Not too bad teams to have here. Buffalo to Philly. Damn, wrong spot again. Alright. Here's your teams. Now it's time to do the names. It is 10:43 in Newfoundland right now. And here's your names. We got Ian all the way down to Kevin. 1, 2, 3 is the timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is at 10:43. 10:43 it is. Last and final will do it for us. Alright, fourth and final timestamp on the night. 10:43 and 10:44 just turned. So Josh finished on the top spot. Mr. Blunden, halfway mark. And then we got Chad Brinson to Ian. Alright, folks, here's your teams for tonight. We got Josh, Chicago, Brent, Arizona, Brad is Edmonton, Ian, Colorado, Steven, Florida, John, Boston, Ian, San Jose, Kevin, Ottawa, Corey Moore, Columbus, Ian, Carolina, Nick is the Islanders, Michael, Pittsburgh, Josh, Montreal, Grand Falls, Dallas, Adam, Calgary, Chad, Buffalo, Roger, Anaheim, Edward, Nashville, Ian, Vancouver, Besser, New Jersey. We got Jay with LA, Alex, Toronto, Ian is Rangers, Steven, Winnipeg, Justin, St. Louis, Jay, Detroit, Ian, Minnesota, Ryan, Tampa Bay, Keith is Washington, and Ian is Philly. There it is. Good luck. We'll see you in 15 minutes for the break, guys.